Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Math with Mr. W. Today's discussion is pre-multiplication. I can't tell you just how many kids come to me with, I don't remember how to multiply, I can't multiply, I can't multiply, I can't multiply. And that's ninth grade. I want to help you help those kids that don't get it. Now, we have different ways of learning things. And I really believe that everybody, first, second grade teachers, and even kindergarten teachers, need to have the numbers of a number line on their floors, from -20 all the way to +50, in a line on maybe little squares, so that the students see them every day. They can go stand on them. They are part of that classroom. It becomes an integral part of what they are doing. So it is really vital that they learn all the numbers and that they get a feeling for how these numbers work. Now, we talked about patterning. Well, multiplication is patterning. Can your students sit there and say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24? Can they say that? Make it a sing-song. Can they say 3, 6, 9, 12, up through 36? I bet you they can do it with the fives easily. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So they know that 12 times 5 is 60. Where do they get stuck? Well, they get stuck because they get to 4 and maybe they don't know the 4s because they haven't practiced it. But look at the number line. We know that 4 times 12 is 48. But we can start with 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 42, 48. And then what? So we're just seeing that as a sing-song, as we can actually walk on the squares. We could see it happening. It's double the 2. What I want you, and I'd like you to try doing, is using a sing-song method. Try and get your students to see that in their heads. So when you ask them later on, what's 6 times 7, or what's 7 times 6, it doesn't matter. They're both going to be the same. They're not going to guess. They're going to know that it's 42. So again, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. And they can do their 6s. And they can do their 7s. And I'll share some patterns within the 7s. There are patterns within everything. It's just a matter of finding them. So if you'll just try this, just try it, I think you'll find that your students will be able to pick up multiplication much easier. Now, later on, I'm going to show you another piece that's going to make multiplication so much easier for all your students. Have a great day. Enjoy teaching, and I'll see you again on Math with Mr. W.